Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to do curved text using LibreOffice Draw. So first you have to go to the view and then go to the toolbars, then select Fontwork. You will notice this toolbar appeared. So now click on the Insert Framework text, select the one you like. I kind of like the simple one, so I'll choose this one. Then select OK. Now we have a text here. If you want to change it, you can just double click and just press Ctrl A to select the whole thing, and then you can write the one that you like. So we'll just write curve, curve, then press enter. You know what, you don't have to press enter, click outside. So we have this curve, we're going to curve it. So select it, and then here select the font work shape, and here we have a couple of options. So let's select the arc up, and this is curved now. There are many other options, you can select them. Select the one you like. If you want, you can also increase the size, like the way that you want. And there are many others that you can choose. And this is how you curve text in LibreOffice Draw. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.